Are you willing to make such a game? Then you are in the right place. Stay along with me to learn how to make this game. Hello everyone, this is me. Welcome back to a new video by Drag. Let's get started with the tutorial now. First step, as usual, log in and create a new project. Then go to the drawing and animation section in the palette section and drag out a canvas. Then drag out an image sprite inside the canvas. Change the canvas size to 300 pixels height and width, and then let's change the properties of screen 1. First of all, change the horizontal and vertical alignment to center. Then scroll down and make the screen to scrollable, as well as make the title visibility to false. Then drag out table arrangement from layout and make sure the columns are 2 and the rows are 4. After doing the following steps, click on the image sprite and then go to picture. Search on Google an image of a bee and then upload it as the image sprite. Then change the height and width of the image sprite to 50 pixels. After that, click on the canvas and change its background image to the grass image. You need to download one from Google. Now drag out 4 labels into the first 4 columns of the table arrangement number 1. Then change all of their font sizes to 20, background colors to red, text colors to cyan, and text alignment to center. Also make them bold. Do the same thing for the rest of them. Now after this, in the second column, drag out a few text boxes. Then change the font size to 20 and remove the hint for all the text boxes. Then change all of the text boxes alignments to center. Change the first label text to hit score along with a colon in front with a hyphen. Then change the second label text to miss score again along with a colon and a hyphen in the front. Then change the third label text to final score, and last change the fourth label text to remaining time. Now drag out a clock and a notifier onto the screen. After that, go to layout and drag out a vertical arrangement and put this canvas and the table arrangement into it. Change the vertical arrangement's horizontal alignment and vertical alignment to center and change the background color to none. Then again go to user interface and change the text to play. Change the background color to cyan. Make the font bold. Change the font size to 20. And if you want, you can even change the width to fill parent. Then you need to change the background color to black. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. The part 2, which is the code section, will come on 3rd January 9 p.m. IST. Do not forget to watch that. Link in the pinned comments below. Thank you and bye.